Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, do well to join this beautiful family. I bring Mama Uganda when our brother Wode Maya. If you never watched that in video, go watch okay? Please, they give us thumbs up, give a video thumbs up. Our brother Wode Maya has been that they give thumbs up. Please, when they really give thumbs up. I bring this Mama Uganda. Come, this lady who gets 44 children. This lady, I don't watch a video for YouTube over many years now. It don't tell. Over more than 6 years now. I don't watch her video. But I was scandalized when our brother Wode Maya talk about this lady, say how a condition and undermine the video they produce a lot for YouTube. YouTube don't even they pay her, or maybe the people when go showcase her for their channel, they don't even care. I was scandalized because when I watched this lady, at that time, that video don't hit 1 million plus. My first time watching this Uganda lady. When they interview her, this lady, they do all kind of job. Her husband run leave at that time. I don't know whether the husband will come back. Her husband run leave at that time. This lady go do big clear. No kind of job when woman they do, when this lady not they do. The reason why she give birth to children like that, she said, if the doctor advise her, if she not give birth, many say the thing will affect her health. That is why she dey give birth. She give birth triplets. She give birth to twins. She give birth to twins, triplets, one. My main purpose of doing this video, may God bless you, our brother Wode Maya. As you go her house, you see everything. You say you don't want showcase, and you use your power, your influence to, make the woman dey standard. Only that, not even make me want to shook my mouth inside. And another thing want make me shake my mouth inside also. The lady talk about say her 2 children when she give out, make people help her take care of. These 2 children, they say they die. I don't know whether you go come across this my YouTube channel. If you come across by the special grace of God, do you see the dead body of your children? Say some people, they are something else. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Do you see the dead body of those your 2 children? Because there are some people want to take advantage of you. They say you get the money, the one when they her chest, she don't fit take care of her. And if you even get the money, the very day when she give birth to that one, no be give birth to the one when they with her. Yes. Because some people are something else. So you go buy or say those 2 children not die. They just, seize her, or they give her out to other people. Do you see the death of those two of your children, Mama Uganda? Do you see the death? Because people take advantage of people, of human being. Please, my beautiful people, if they never watch that video, head to Wode Maya house. Go and watch her. Because this woman, I was shocked, say, as I see her, I remember 6 years ago, but I not go lie, but I don't watch this woman video a long time. I say, how can a woman go just give birth to how many children? But when they go interview her, I can't find out, say, no, be her fault. She gave birth to triplets, she gave birth to twins, and doctor advised her and say, if she stop, the thing will affect her. May she give birth. Now she did give birth. I know her story. The day when our brother said, Wode Maya do live stream when she just talk, I said, I know her, I don't watch. No, because I know her one-on-one. Me, I be Nigerian-pidgin-English. She na Uganda pidgin too. I watched her for YouTube for long years ago. And I watched our brother Wode Maya video yesterday online. He said if he talk now, people will say they criticize vlogger like him. I was shocked when this same lady, you showcase her. A lot of people get interest. Please, my beautiful people, if you get interest to help this Uganda lady, don't judge her. No be her fault. No be her fault. They say, waiting you don't know, don't judge. And waiting people they pass through. Some people they pass through. Don't judge because of you just see to give birth. Like somebody like me, I can control myself. But that kind of lady, she not fit control herself because of her health. That's why she born that 40 something children. And if she give birth 15 times, 15 good times, then she give birth. If there is any way where you fit to support her, don't judge her. Go straight, support her. Our brother Wode Maya say he go upload under of his video, then he go drop the link under his video. Anybody who wants support, feel free to go support that lady. He said that those children talk waiting, touching, waiting break him down. Say he asked, they say, now they eat meat. How do they eat? They say no, that they eat meat and of Christmas. time of crazy. How can this kind of woman, 50, 40 something children, how many meat you want buy? But if everybody come together and make things for her, I believe she go eat. And I don't know whether my brother they hear about a YouTube channel just now. If she officially open YouTube, it go still help her. That one will be extra, extra income. People will love to they watch he life, he vlog, he life, about in life, 44 children, how she take the manager. I believe if for real still work for her. If my brother Wode Maya, if you can look towards that side, then she gets a phone, good phone, then she starts vlog because I see her children, they go school. That mind she born many children. I see her children just now that they need them, that they come back from school just for them to film, then edit am. If they no even edit am, just to film and publish am. Those things go still be, another income for them. I don't know, my brother. I don't know whether they make sense. I just dey think my own, just because YouTube na for everybody, and YouTube na free money. Imagine that kind of woman I enter. People get to know her, and you showcase am for your channel. You know how many views she go dey get? She go dey get view. If you fit look towards that thing, so that YouTube go be side hustle for her, e go good well well. And secondly, our brother Wode Maya say make we dey pray for him, because this is job, no be job, oh, no be just he say e hard. He say sometimes to even go her WhatsApp, say e dey hard, that no be lie, oh. Me wey I no even get, me wey I no do the showcase, me when many people no even know the things they do me. Like that, talk of Wode Maya, when thousands of people they look onto him. If he help the one wey go fit help, then the rest wey no fit help, they look as bad person. It's really true. Let's pray for our brother. Those when they look at like bad person, may God touch their mind. May God let them know, say he can't support everybody, he can't help everybody, he can't take everybody along. May we know, no, just because I help you, other people they are not fit help you. You know me say I be bad person. You understand? If Wode Maya no fit help you now, another person they when God go send to you now, when he go help you now. You know, they look and say, oh, Wode Maya no want help me. Wode Maya they select people to help. No be force effort, oh. No be our government. No, na they drag on our government. The little one when he do, no, na clap hand for her. Now this one I get to talk. Let's play the voice notes when our brother, when I pick from his house yesterday, when they do live stream. Let's take it.
Things happen, but I think I've still seen people in the comment section saying that they really want to help the woman. So I think what we're gonna do, maybe the next video, because we have another video. We have another video that is coming up. We might probably put a donation link to people who wants to donate to her. But what we've done so far, I think it's good. But I think if you are here and you want to support her, why not? I didn't want to shoot a video. When I went to the house, I didn't want to shoot a video because I saw the condition of the woman where she was living. I was like, you know what? I cannot do this, man. By the end of the day, I was like, you know what? We are here already. What do we do? What can we do to change? What can we do to bring some positive impact in Mama Uganda's life? And we did it. Use Flutterwave, not GoFundMe. I will check it out. I want to encourage more people to do, not just go and create a content. Because personally, when I got to the house, I was like, I'm not shooting. I was like, nah, because I went there on a rainy day. If you check the video, I went there on a rainy day, and one of the saddest thing that I saw that actually made me shed tears in the house was when I asked her, how often do you eat meat? And then she said they only eat meat on Christmas days. And I could just trace that back to when I was growing up, because eating meat was more like a luxury for us too. So bought new beds for every kid in the house. I will show you guys the video next. That's the video we're trying to upload. But at the end of the day, I think she needs more help. We can't do everything, right? We can't do everything, because as I sit here, if I tell you guys my problem, like every day, probably you guys might be sending me money into my bank account, because the problem that I have is bigger than me. I'm starting a project. I'm starting a project tomorrow. I don't know if it's possible or within this week. I'm starting a project that I think I will need your help. I'll come here to tell you guys when the project begins. Sometimes I always want to start something by myself, and like everyone is testing you. Imagine if I have to go to my email, my Instagram, my Facebook, WhatsApp, even the WhatsApp number for my office. I don't think we can even reply anyone again. I don't think we can even reply anyone again. It's just hard, and that's what I keep on saying. When you get a chance, if you can support someone, please do. Like when I travel and I feel like I can support, I can do something, I do it. But that doesn't mean that this is what I do for a living. Like every day is charity for me. No, I can't do that. I can't help everyone to the extent that people will be like, oh, he's fake. Like I've seen people calling me fake just because they ask me for something that I don't have, because when they see what you do online, they think that, okay, in real life, okay, Maya walks around with money that he gives to people that he meets on the street. No. Like I'm a young guy. I'm married. I have my own life. I have to set up myself. Because if you help yourself, that's when you can also help others, right? So, I mean, if we support people, we support them because at that moment, my heart tells me that you need to support this person. But that doesn't mean that that's what I do every day. You get what I mean? So, the job that I'm doing is way bigger than me, man. Way bigger than me. And I'm just trying, I pray to God every single day to give me the strength to continue. Because when I go out, when I meet people telling me that, oh, Maya, you changed. And let me tell you something. Shake my hand and say, thank you for what you're doing for Africa. They shake my hands and say, if you ever get a chance to speak to God, please ask God to protect the one and annoying village boy. Please.
I think I hear my people. Our brother Wode Maya, he said, if you get opportunity to pray to God or to meet God one-on-one, always put him in your prayer. That is true. Say this work when they read, they do, it's not easy. Some people criticize you when some people clap for you. When he tried to help others, maybe people around him, they need his favor. He can't help everybody around him. Everybody around him, maybe Ghana. Wode Maya can't do everything. You understand? The thing is, when many of us, when they mistake people, when they help people, they always look like, help if, area. Just like Prophet TB Joshua. A lot of things what that man they do for my country, Nigeria, those days, he not ever show him. But when he travel out of Nigeria, he they show him. Behold, when this man die, a lot of things come out, dig out. When he they do, when he not the showcase for line. Build police station, build road, do a lot of things, give light to some community, but he no ever showcase her. But people go say he leave it, what they do for outside. Because he decide to show outside. Why they not do for outside? Now they get that mentality. He must do for outside because outside people, they donate for him too. He must look around. He must spread that love around. We should stop calling people fake. People, when they read fake, now they call them fake. People, when they're not fake, now they call them fake. My people, me on head to Wode Maya house. Me on go watch the video full, okay? Me on go watch the video for there. And if you get time, if you not get time, don't disturb yourself. But when you want to support. Wode Maya video when he go upload about Uganda mothers, mother, then the until una hear am just now, the link go there under his description. May una donate for her for there, okay? And if they will still open YouTube, it go help her because this her video when I don't watch, I don't even know the channel. You don't tell when I for watch her. That video when I watch her, it don't get a million plus. Talk of now, you don't get almost. If anybody can assist her to open YouTube, it will be helpful for her. Imagine 42 children. You go just put down channel of a mother of 42 children. China. Hey, people will love to watch you. People will love to subscribe to see their, everyday life, everyday vlog, all those things. My people, now this one get to talk. Oh, yes, so not every day not be the same. Today, just like my daughter, just they calm, not fine. Please, if you never subscribe to this YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, okay? We're full of love, not hate. We not get hate for our cupboard. Now love we get for our cupboard. All my returning, I don't buy for now. All my subscribers will be full of blessings as well. I'm loyal, I'm humble. Please always subscribe, give me thumbs up, like my video. Help me to share. Watch our brother Wode Maya video also. Yes, drop your own opinion. If you type when it's right, drop your own opinion. Okay? Support if you have it. Support. Okay, I need to my message. Don't fake it.
My job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love.